Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Department Humanity and Science, course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103, myself again Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. In today's lecture, we must focus about our chapter that is very important, matrices unit 1 chapter number 3. Today's main topic is multiplication of first matrix with multiplication of second matrix. But order is different. Let us check. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. 3 rows and 3 columns are there. In a matrices B, there is B11, B21, B31, B12, B22, B32, B13, B23, B33. Now, 3 by 3 matrices multiplication also possible. The row multiply each and every column of matrix B. That's how. First row, first column, A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21 plus A13 into B31. Okay. Now, first row, second column, A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22 plus A13 into B32 plus. Obviously, we cover. Now, first row, last column, A11 into B13 plus A12 into B23 plus A13 into B33. So we cover the first row with each every multiplication of matrix B completed in a multiplication of A into B. Now our focus is second row and column 1, column 2 and column 3 one by one. A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22 plus A23 into B32. Yes, yes, no, no, it is wrong. Second row, first column, A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21 plus A23 into B31. Be careful about the multiplication. Okay. Now second row, second column, A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22 plus A23 into B32. Okay. Now second row, last column, A21 into B13, yes, plus A22 into B23 plus A23 into B33. So we cover the second row of matrix A into B. Now our last but not least, what is row number 3? A31 into B11, obviously, plus A32 into B21 plus A33 into B31. Okay. Now last row, second column, A31 into B12 plus A32 into B22 plus A33 into A32. So now last row, last column, A31 into B13 plus A32 into B23 plus A33 into B33. We cover by using this method. Now next example. 3, 12, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 0, 2. 3 rows and 3 columns are there. In a second matrix also 7, 3, 8, 11, 9, 5, 6, 8, 4. 3 rows and 3 columns are there. So now we should take the multiplication of these matrices. How? 3 into 7 plus 12 into 11 plus 4 into 6. Now first row, second column. 3 into 3 plus 12 into 9 plus 4 into 8. Now first row, last column. 3 into 8 plus 12 into 5 plus 4 into 4. We cover the first row and each column of the matrices second. Now our second row and first column. 5 into 7 plus 6 into 11 plus 8 into 6. Now second row and second column. 5 into 3 plus 6 into 9 plus 8 into 8. We cover the second row, second column. Now second row, last column. 5 into 8 plus 6 into 5 plus 8 into 4. We cover the second row of A into B. Now our last but not least, last row of matrix 1, multiply each column of the matrix second. 1 into 7 plus 0 into 11 plus 2 into 6. Now, last row, second column. 1 into 3 plus 0 into 9 plus 2 into 8. Now, last row, last column. 1 into 8 plus 0 into 5 plus 2 into 4. So, we take the multiplication here. 3 into 7, 21 plus 12 into 11 plus 4 into 6. We derive the final answer 177. Here 3 into 3 plus 12 into 9 plus 4 into 8. It is 149. 3 into 8 plus 12 into 5 plus 4 into 4, 100. 5 into 7 plus 6 into 11 plus 8 into 6, 149. 5 into 3 plus 6 into 9 plus 8 into 8, 133. 5 into 8 into 6 into 5 plus 8 into 4, 102. 1 into 7, but 0 into anything is 0. So 1 into 7 plus 2 into 6, it is 19. 1 into 3 plus 0 into anything is 0, plus 2 into 8, 19 again. And 1 into 8 plus 0 into anything 0, but 8 into 4 2s are 12. 12 plus 8, it is, so obviously we have to 12, no, 4 into 2, it is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So we derive final answer in a form of 3 by 3 order matrix. Now we take the again example based on the matrix multiplication of order 3 by 3. They given A is equal to 1, 2, 6, 7, 4, 10, 1, 3, 5. We have to find A square minus 3A it plus I, where I is the identity matrix. We have to must remind that is 3 by 3 order. We check out that A is equal to 1, 2, 6, 7, 4, 10, 1, 3, 5. A square means A into A. So that's why we have to multiply one matrix with same matrix again. How it is possible? Yes. First row, first column. 1 into 1, yes. 2 into 4, 14 plus 6 into 1, 6. First row, second column. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 4, 8 plus 6 into 3, 18. Now first row, last column. 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 10, 20 plus 6 into 5, 30. Now second row, first column. 7 into 1, 7. 4 into 7, 28. 10 into 1, 10. Second row, second column. 7 into 2, 14. 4 into 4, 16. 10 into 3, 30. Now second row, last column. 7 into 6, 42. 4 into 10, 40. 10 into 5, 50. Now our last row and each column. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 7, 21. 5 into 1, 5. Obviously plus is there. Last row, second column. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 3 into 4, 12. Plus 5 into 3, 15. Now last row, last column. 1 into 6, 6. 3 into 10, 30. 5 into 5, 25. So we add 1 plus 4, 14 plus 6, 21. 2 plus 8 plus 18, 28. 6 plus 20 plus 30 is 56. 7 plus 28 plus 10, 45. 14 plus 16 plus 30, 60. 42 plus 40 plus 50, 132. 1 plus 21 plus 5 is 27. 2 plus 12 plus 15, 29. 6 plus 30 plus 25 is 61. Now we cover the A square by taking the multiplication of one matrix with it itself only by order of row and column. So be careful about this multiplication. Now we have to take the 3 into A plus I. So we have to consider the equation. We have A square this format. Now we have to take A square minus 3A plus I, the given equation. I write the A square is 21, 28, 56, 45, 60, 132, 27, 29, 61. Minus 3 here. A is the again the matrix which is given 1, 2, 6, 7, 4, 10, 1, 3, 5. Now plus I is there. 3 by 3 order identity matrix is defined by 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The diagonal entries, that is A11, A22, A33 are only 1. The remaining are 0. So now we have to take the subtraction plus addition also by 3 by 3 order matrix. First, 3, we have to multiply 3 only to each and every element. So we define 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 6, 18, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 10, 30, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 5, 15. So subtraction is there and plus addition is there. So 21 minus 3 plus 1 we derive 19. 28 minus 6 plus 0 we derive 22. 56 minus 18 plus 0 we derive 38. 45 minus 21 plus 0 we derive 24. 60 minus 12 plus 1 we derive 49. 132 minus 30 plus 0 we derive 102. 27 minus 3 plus 0 we derive 24. 29 minus 9 plus 0, it is obviously 20. 61 minus 15 plus 1, it is obviously 47. So we derive a square minus 3a plus I is equal to 19, 22, 38, 24, 49, 102, 24, 20, 47. Now scalar matrix we have to perform that way. A is equal to 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. Show that a square minus 8a is scalar matrix. So we have to find first a square. Same matrix multiply with the same. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 4, 16. Now first row, last column. 2 into 4, it is 8. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 2, 8. Now second row, first column. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 4, 16. Now the second row, last column. 4 into 4, 16. Next 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 4, that is 16. Second row, last column. 4 into 4, 16. Plus 2 into 4, 8. Plus 4 into 2, 8. Now last row, first column. 4 into 2, 8. Plus 4 into 4, 16. Plus 2 into 4, 8. Last row, second column. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 2, it is 8. And 4 into 4, 8. 4 into 2 into 4, 8. Now last row, last column. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. Plus 2 into 2, 4. We define 36, 32, 32. 32, 36, 32. 32, 32, 36. Now row and column multiplication we understand. Now we have to find a square minus 8a. So I write here a square minus 8. Our a is 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. So we have to multiply 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 2, 16. So minus symbol is there between the matrices. We have to take the subtraction. 36 minus 16, 20. 32 minus 32, 0. 32 minus 32, 0. 32 minus 32, 0. 36 minus 16, 20. 32 minus 32, 0. 32 minus 32, 0. 32 minus 32, 0. 36 minus 16, 20. So we get in this matrix a square minus 8a, the final answer in a form of 20, 0, 0, 0, 20, 0, 0, 0, 20. So we look here, all the entries only A1, 1, 20, A2, 2, it is obviously 20, A3, 3, 20. The diagonal elements are the same, that is the same. So such matrices is called a scalar matrix. How the scalar? If I take the outside 20, so I remain here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is also plus point of the identity matrix. So we multiply 20, 20, 20. So we derive the final answer. A square minus 8a is equal to 20, 0, 0, 0, 20, 0, 0, 0, 20. That is called a scalar matrix if all entries of diagonal elements are same. So we better understand if we have to multiply the same element 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2 is a square minus 8a, that is the 4 product is 8. So we derive the final answer in a form of scalar. So we cover the today's lecture.